Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can share a page you visit in the Zen browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. Head over to the Zen browser on your device and navigate to the website you would like to use for this. I will go with google.com for the sake of this tutorial. Now, of course, there's always the way to use the URL address here at the top. If you hover a mouse over it, you will see that copy URL button to copy to your clipboard. But there's also the option to use various plugins to, share the given website on direct messaging services, social media, and so on and so forth. And you will find this button next to the URL, copy URL button. And here, just below the extensions and settings, or above it, you will see that share this page button, click into it. And here you may use one of these options. For example, you will see again the share or copy URL button here, then various applications you're using on, or you may be using on your computer, like WhatsApp, Gmail, X/Twitter, Microsoft Teams, LinkedIn, and so on and so forth, so that you may get redirected to the given application, log in there, and use that plugin to share the website via the given service there. And that's how it works, guys. Let me just close that window. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.